Let's learn how you can enable color filter on your Messenger application. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. So let us start without any delay. First, you will have to open Messenger application. Once you're there, you will have to click on these three horizontal lines in top left corner. And this will open sidebar menu. Now you will have to continue to settings. To go there, click on this gear icon in top right corner of sidebar. Once you're here in settings, click on this accessibility option with little human icon. And here it will appear color filter. As you can see, it's on off by default. Click there and it will open new color filter menu. You have here a few options, like for a red week, green week. You can select and you will see that colors of messengers change. You don't have to save it, just press on color filter you want and go